Hello everybody, it's Juliet here. Today I thought we would do an unboxing for some items from Beebeecraft. I'm just trying to catch up on all my videos. It was really busy with the bead along, so give me a little bit, but you'll be getting some more projects very soon. So anyway, we'll do an unboxing today. So those who don't know what Beebeecraft is, it's a website. And I will put links for it down below. And if you go there and you order something, you can get 10% off using my discount code, which is Jules10. I'll put that up at the top for you so you can see that. And they have just all sorts of jewelry making beads, supplies, findings, also basically everything you can imagine. And they're really great. I find the quality to be good. Here's my little packing slip. Yeah, go and check them out. Honestly, you can get earrings, you can get like lots of fun stuff. They have a lot of different things. So go and check them out. Anyway, let's dump all this out. So, and it all comes very well packaged. So everything was in this inside another bubble bag as well. So alrighty, let me just push some of this off to the side and we'll start with this biggest item here. So these are some leather bracelets, and there's like suede, you know, the soft leather on one side and a more finished leather on the other. Very pretty color, and I don't know if you saw the new Pantone color for 2025, but it's almost this shade of brown. It's called something mocha or mocha something. Anyway, this shade of brown is going to be very popular. It might be a little bit lighter than that, but anyway, so these bracelets, they just come you know, ready to wear, and two different sizes. So you just snap it on, either the tighter or the looser snap here. And I thought it would be fun to use this as a base and kind of bead around it. So that's what we're going to do. And how many did I get? I think I got 10 here. I think it comes in a pack of 10. But they seem really nice. I mean, very, you know, good leather. The snaps are good. So I'm excited to use these. It's something a little bit different. I always look for things that are a little different for you guys, just to give you some ideas, you know, stimulate your mind. Okay, next I got some gemstones, and I think these are I thought these were going to be 4mm, but they look 3mm to me. So this is Apatite, the gemstone Apatite. Oh, these are so cute. Very, very pretty. These ones are flat. So they're kind of little flat discs almost, but very tiny. But they're also, can you see how sparkly those are? That's because they're faceted. These are incredibly gorgeous, actually. And they look like 3mm. For some reason, I thought they were 4, but that looks to me to be 3. And then I also got some rounds, also Apatite. I just love the blue color. Oh, so pretty. Oh my goodness. How many strands did we get here? We got a whole bunch. Let me lay them out. So 2. These strands are quite long as well. They're longer than my beading mat. 3. Okay, so I got 5 whole strands of these ones, and they're just gorgeous. These are faceted as well. So these look to be between 2.5mm to 3mm round, but absolutely gorgeous. These may be a little bit bigger than 3, but anyway, I'm very, very pleased and excited about those, and I think they'll go really nicely with the brown color, the blue and the brown together, right? You guys seeing where I'm going with this? Okay, so that is some gemstones, and I will put links to everything, like I said, down below in the description. Okay, so here we have some gold-plated jewelry finding. I'm just going to cut that open and see what we have here. Okay, so these are just little metal oblong shapes. Okay, so here we are, just a little metal shape. And my thinking with these was, let me get one of the bracelets out and put it up here, was maybe we could put them this way, you know, on our bracelet, and put some of these little flat guys inside them like this. Something like that, anyway, is kind of what I was thinking. Or maybe we'll bead some things in between in the middle. I don't know. But I thought that was a kind of a fun shape to play around with. And it looks like I got probably 50, I'm guessing, in here. So that's great. And a lot of the things that you get from Beebeecraft do come in these cute little storage boxes, which is really handy. It's one of my favorite things about the Beebeecraft stuff is the little boxes they come in. Okay, then next I got these little metal spacers, and you can use them either as a spacer or as a charm, I guess. So I'll just get one out. So they, as you can see here, they have a little hole at the top and the bottom specifically so that you can hang things between. They're quite thin, actually. They're really, really thin. But I thought maybe I could bead around the outside of these like so and make maybe a pretty pair of earrings. Something like that. We'll figure it out. I mean, maybe I could even incorporate some of these on a bracelet. So I thought it was a really pretty design. Because they're so thin, I'm not sure how sturdy they'll be, but I think they'll be sturdy enough. You could always double them, I suppose. If you were going to bead around them, you could put two together and that would make it stronger maybe. Anyway, we'll play around and see what we come up with. So yeah, those are little kind of flower discs. Okay, and then everything, once again, has come super well wrapped. Let me just dig in here and we'll see what this is. I think this might be earrings. I've had this order sitting for a couple weeks because we were doing the bead along and everything, and I just didn't really dig into it and look at it, and I sort of forgot what was in it. So okay, another bit of tape. Okay, yeah, it looks like these are earrings. So I've got my earring backs in another baggie at the bottom here, and see what I mean? Even within the back, the little box and everything, it's all bubble wrapped. Okay, so I think we have two different types of earrings here. And once I get the bag open, we'll get out the first kind. Oh, that's gorgeous. So these are super sparkly. And you can see all the little stones. Absolutely beautiful pair of earring finding. Really lovely. Look at the back. Yeah, these are really, really nice. Oh, I'm very pleased with that. And I think I've got 2 pairs of these ones. So you get 2 like this. Isn't that just gorgeous? And then let's look at the other style. And it looks like you get 2 of the other ones. So 4 pairs in total. Give me a second while I fight with the bag. Okay, so this is the other style. Oh, that's pretty too. Just so much sparkle in these. So this is almost like a half a flower, but these are kind of Art Deco. I love them. So, so pretty. And then the back for you. So these are the 2 different styles. So you get 2 pairs of each. So 4 of each in total. Aren't they gorgeous? I'm super, super happy about that. Okay. So those are some earrings. And then the last, but hopefully not the least, we're going to check out what's in here. So I believe these are bead caps, or flower caps or something. I think they called them. I'm just going to dump them out really quickly. And they're just metal flowers, so assorted different ones. So here's one. So you can put a little bead in the middle. See how it has a hole there? So you could, if you were doing bead embroidery or something, you could sew up from the bottom, add a bead, and then sew back down again. And I was not sure if we'd be able to maybe put some of these on a bracelet, but I thought we would maybe give it a go. So here's another style that you get, which is a little bit more cupped up. And here's a little smaller one that you get. And I think that's the 3 styles that you get. It looks like you get 4. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 5. Well, I seem to have 6 of the little small ones. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so 6 of each style you get with these. But I mean, I thought they were really pretty. And, you know, imagine with this color. Really, really pretty, right? So I'm not sure how I'll use them yet, but we'll figure out a couple projects with all of these items here. So, you know, we've got our pretty earrings, we've got these pretty things, and obviously our bracelet as well. So anyway, so that is all the things from Beebeecraft. Hopefully you've enjoyed seeing them. Let me know which one is your favorite. And I will put links, as I said, to everything. Don't forget to use the code Jules10 to get 10% off your order if you do go to Beebeecraft. Okay, guys, take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.